Get ready to be amazed, cause this might just tay most is officially taking over tay internet. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the build quality is premium. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it solves an annoying problem. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly hands down incredible for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity while stocks last. Get ready to be amazed, cause this might just tay most is officially taking over tay internet. If you love cool items, stick around.